Hey, it's Mr. Harris. We're going to sing one of our favorite songs all about animals. Do you remember which one? I'm going to give you a hint. Do you know what this is? It's a puppy dog. We're going to sing I Love Puppies. Do you remember that song? If you have a stuffed animal that looks like a dog or a little puppy, go get it so we can play together. But hey, we need three more animals. We need a kitty cat, we need a cow, and we need a duck. If you have anything like those, go get them and bring them back. Now, I didn't have any ducks, I didn't have any kitty cats, I didn't have any cows, so I just got some pictures for us to use. Here's my kitty cat, there's my duck, and my cow. Which animal is going to make the low sound? Do you know? Is it the kitty cat? Is it the duck? Is it the cow? Yeah, the cow makes a low sound. Can you make your voice make a low sound? Moo. Try it again. Moo. The cow's gonna make our low sound. I got two left. Which one's gonna make the funny sound? Do you think it's gonna be the kitty cat? Do you think it's gonna be the duck? Yeah, that duck makes that funny sound. Let's hear it. Can you make a duck sound? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Yeah, good job. The last one is our kitty cat. Now, the kitty cat is so sweet. Can you make it sound like a kitty cat? Meow. Can you try? Meow. One more. Meow. Oh, good job. We're going to put all these animals together and sing our favorite song, I Love Puppies. Let's do it. Here we go. Roof, roof, roof. Roof, roof, roof. You better sing, Zori. Roof, 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 roof. Do you remember what's next? The sweet sound. Do you remember the kitty? Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Are you singing? Which animal makes the low sound? Remember? Moo, moo. Let me hear you. Moo, moo. That's it. Moo, moo. We have one more animal that makes that funny sound. Do you remember what it is? It's that ducky. Let's see. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Let's hear it. Good job, everybody.